In this video, we're going to be making chili tofu, which is really yummy and healthy at the same time. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to prepare the tofu. So first, you're going to cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes and pat them dry onto a paper towel or tissue paper to make sure that it can absorb all the sauces. Then grease your baking pan with some oil. I used olive oil, but you can use any oil you want to. Then you're going to lay your tofu pieces onto the tray and then brush them with some more oil. Sprinkle with some salt. Then grill in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes. You can also grill these on the stovetop if you want to. And then you're going to turn them midway. And then again grill for 5 to 6 minutes. And your tofu should be done and nice and golden. Now you're going to prepare the chili sauce, and these are all the ingredients you're going to need. Now in a bowl, add in your soy sauce, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, chili vinegar, water, red chili powder, cumin powder, and brown sugar. And mix everything till it's a uniform mixture. And then set that aside. Now these are all the ingredients you're going to need for cooking. So first you're going to heat some oil in a pan. Once it's hot enough, add in the onions and the spring onion whites. Add some salt to taste. Make sure to not add too much because you can always add more later. And then cover and cook the onion for 3 to 4 minutes till it's a bit translucent. Then add in the ginger, garlic, and the chilies. Mix them in. Cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the capsicum. Mix it in. And again cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. I like to cook my capsicum because we like our capsicum soft, but you can skip this step if you like your capsicum more crunchy. And once the capsicum is cooked, you can add in the tofu. Pour the sauce that you prepared over the tofu. And mix everything till the tofu is nicely coated. Now I like to add in some more water that I mix into the sauce bowl. You can skip this step if you want your tofu extremely dry. And then mix everything and let the tofu cook in the sauce until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce has come to a boil, add in the white pepper powder or black pepper powder and mix it in. Add in the spring onion greens and mix those in as well. And don't worry about the volume, the spring onion greens will shrink as you mix them. Taste and add more salt if required and mix that in. And your chili tofu is ready. Serve this hot with some rice or some noodles and enjoy your chili tofu. Subscribe for more recipes and I will see you soon. Bye.